Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today, I'm going to talk about Mapei Aquaflex Roof 77, a ready-to-use, flexible, liquid-apply, seamless membrane for waterproofing of exposed surfaces. Do you know where to use this product? For waterproofing metal and concrete roof, balconies and terraces, guttering and downpipes, cupolas and curved roofs. Aquaflex Roof can be applied on ceramic and stone dressings, cementitious screeds, concrete, metal sheet roofing, and many others. In terms of color and packaging, you can choose between 4 kg and 18 kg pail with the color options of white or grey. This is a sample unit for reinforced concrete roof or balcony using fibre cement board. All substrates, whether they are new or old, must be solid, clean, dry, and free of all traces of material which could compromise the bond. Surfaces must have a minimum gradient in order to avoid water ponding on the waterproofing membrane. Before applying, pay particular attention to the expansion joints and the fillets between horizontal and vertical surfaces, which can be waterproof using Mapeband Easy. This is Mapeband Easy, a rubber tape sandwiched between two layers of non-woven fabrics to form elastic joints in waterproofing systems. Mapeband Easy is available in 10 meter and 30 meter long by 130 mm wide rolls. Use a mechanical mixer for a thorough and homogeneous waterproofing mixture. For new concrete substrates, you may prime using a mixture of Aquaflex Roof and clean water at a ratio of 1:1. Allow priming coat to dry prior to the first neat coat. Let me show you step by step on how to apply Mapeband Easy. Apply a coat of Aquaflex Roof along the corners and edges. Apply Mapeband Easy and make sure it is correctly positioned with no folds, creases, or air bubbles. Joints between different pieces of Mapeband Easy must overlap at least 5 cm and be bonded with Aquaflex Roof. Once Mapeband Easy has been applied over and or around all the joints, apply another coat of Aquaflex Roof in a seamless layer. Aquaflex Roof must be applied with a long head roller, brush, trowel, or airless spray at the rate of 0.5 to 0.6 kg per meter square per coat. The application temperature should be between 5 to 35 degrees Celsius. Please wait until the first neat coat is completely dry, approximately 2 to 4 hours before applying the second coat. Apply in a direction perpendicular to the previous coat and protect the membrane from rain until it is completely dry. This is the part that I enjoy most in my waterproofing video. Water bonding test. In this video, we are looking at a different approach of waterproofing exposed surfaces, especially with the use of Mapeband Easy to form elastic joints for the corners and also edges. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my upcoming home improvement show. See you, bye bye.